current hex cost in a real sense is $0.032. Hex fall 0.29% in 7 days, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Hex cost investigation basically is negative today, which especially is genuinely critical. First help level for hex essentially is at $0.030 in a sort of significant manner. 04 November 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through hex cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these much of the time, generally got clarification on some things, facts, what fundamentally is genuinely transient cost expectation for hex, truly is hex a genuinely wise interest in a sort of significant manner. Hex help and opposition levels and so on, which especially is genuinely huge. Be that as it may, prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the hex specialized examination, basically let us generally discuss the especially current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there basically was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital currency market to $1,295,563,241,888 in an unobtrusive manner. The very complete exchanging volume generally remains at $32,247,487,270, which especially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 52.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a predominance of 16.33%, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $34,719.80 level after a decay of 0.25%, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 1.42%, coming to $1,833.55 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $235.21, following a value change of 2.51% inside a similar time span in a genuinely significant manner. XRP, the for the most part local coin of XRP by and large, is somewhere around 0.19 and presently exchanging at 61 cents, which is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a really significant way. These occasions explicitly show that the market basically is going in a kind of descending bearing for genuinely present moment, which explicitly shows that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, really in spite of mainstream thinking. As of now, a fundamentally broad, certainly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how hex help and opposition levels and so on in every practical sense, significant way. Hex help and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized markers used to in every way that really matters, distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which for the most part is very critical. Support in every way that really matters is a level at which purchasers especially become in every way that really matters, all the more exceptionally dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, sort of additional appearance, how first help level for hex by and large is at $0.030 in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, opposition is a level at which vendors especially become move in every practical sense, dynamic, and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving kind of higher in a very significant manner. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of hex execution. The sort of everyday graph of hex most certainly shows that the hex cost in a real sense has a really descending development, with a 1.19% diminishing in genuinely beyond 24 hours. Exhibiting what explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $34,719.80 level after a decay of 0.25% in a quite enormous manner. The value worth of the hex coin most certainly is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, which by and large is very huge. HEX cost changes 0.29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume especially is floating around $3,738,949 United States dollars. Extremely further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large, has seen a cost increment of 1.42%, coming to $1,833.55 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. HEX value examination HEX cost examination for 04 November 2023, inside and in every way that really matters, day-to-day time span, basically made sense of beneath, showing how market investigation over the especially last 24 hours, there essentially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,295,563,241,888 in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving especially normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including really basic moving certainly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving pretty normal, EMA, to investigate the future development of the HEX, extremely further appearance how HEX help and obstruction levels and so on. Which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The MACD line by and large is remaining beneath of the fundamentally signal line after a hybrid, showing how HEX help and obstruction levels and so forth, which really is very huge. HEX financial backers need to truly sit tight for any directional change over the kind of day-to-day diagram, showing how yet prior to jumping extremely profound into the HEX specialized investigation, certainly let us especially discuss the kind of current economic situations, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. HEX in every practical sense has a sort of the closest opposition of $0.036, which by and large shows that as of now, a truly broad negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how HEX help and obstruction levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would basically help the upswing energy, so support truly is a level at which purchasers generally become significantly more for the most part dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, extremely further appearance, how first help level for HEX explicitly is at $0.030 in a very significant manner. The purchasers could then focus on the opposition R2 set at $0.039, exhibiting how first help level for HEX certainly is at $0.030. On the other hand, in the event that the financial backers fundamentally betray the HEX, the essentially bears could handle the market and truly take HEX cost underneath the critical help level of $0.030, showing how XRP, the really local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere around 0.19. And presently exchanging at 61 cents, which generally is very huge. While HEX's Williams %R marker explicitly is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, most certainly signal in every way that really matters, is genuinely conceivable at this reach, so a bullish breakout in this opposition level would sort of lift the upswing energy. So support especially is a level